Hi whole class, hope you're all okay. So we're going to be thinking about adding numbers today. I wonder how many of you thought we were going to be looking at number 11, but I want to do a few things first before we move on to our teen numbers. And thinking about adding numbers together, we're looking at some pictures and some number sentences to match. So I want you to look at the picture and look at the number sentences, see which calculation is right. So I've got 4 apples and 3 bananas. 4 and 3 makes 7. I've done lots of bond work, so I know that 4 and 3 is 7. So I'm going to circle 4 and 3 equals 7. Okay, right, you have a go at this one. Look at the picture, look at the number sentences, which one is correct? So I've got 3 buses and 3 cars. So that's 3 and 3. I know 3 and 3 makes 6, so I'm going to circle that one. Next one, have a little look at the picture, find the number sentence to match. This time I've got 4 rugby balls and 1 football. 4 and 1 makes 5, so I know that I'm going to circle this one. Okay, last one. Look at the picture, which one matches this time? So I've got 4 blue hats, 4 green hats, so it's 4 and 4 equals 8, double, and a double 4 is 8, so I'm going to circle this one. Okay, right, this time I'm going to do one to show you, and then you're going to have a go at working through some number sentences and drawing the cherry diagrams and bar models to match. So I've got 3 numbers this time. I've got 3 parts to my cherry diagram and bar model. I've got 2 add 1 add 3 equals, and I don't know what my whole is, so I've got to work it out. So what I've done is I've drawn my cherry diagram with my 3 parts, and I'm going to put my numbers in each part. So I've got 2 add 1 add 3. Now I need to work out the whole. So I need to work out by adding these 3 numbers what the whole is. So I know 2 and 1 is 3. And then 3 and 3 is 6. So my whole is 6. Okay, so remember to chunk it down so that you can work it out. So I did 2 and 1 first, because I know 2 and 1 is 3. And then I did double, because it's 3 and 3. I know 3 and 3 is 6. All right, you might have found it easier to do 3 and 1 is 4. And then you know 4 and 2 is 6. It's entirely up to you how you work it out. It's whatever you see 2 numbers making and then adding the other one on. So let's do the bar model. So again, I'll put my parts in. So I've got 2, 1 and 3, and then I know my whole is 6 because I've already worked that out. So I've got my number sentence, and then I've drawn my cherry diagram and bar model to match. This is what I want you to do next. Here we have some number sentences. Some have only got 2 numbers, some have got 3. So I want you to draw the cherry diagram and bar model to match each of these number sentences. So I want you to look at 2 and 4 and work out the whole, work out the answer by drawing a cherry diagram and a bar model to match it, and then that will help you work out your answer. Okay, because you've got your parts, but you need to work out your whole. And it's all based on the bonds that we've been doing in the previous videos. The 3 parts might be a little bit trickier because you've got to add 2 numbers together and then add it to the 3rd number. But again, think about your bonds and what you know, and then add that 3rd number on. All right, you've always got your fingers to help you if you need to. None of the answers, I'll give you a clue, go above 10, so you can use your fingers if you need to, or you can draw your toadstools with your spots and get your Lego out, your toys. It's however works for you. All right, but a lot of you will be able to do it in your head because you know your bonds. So write the number sentence, draw the cherry diagram and the bar model to match. Email Miss Creaser or Mrs Jackson your work, because as I've said to you before, we really do look forward to seeing your work. It does make us smile, and hopefully you are staying safe. See you later, whole class.